Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 4 minutes. You can download this free template from the link in the description below and it's completely free to use for your own personal purposes. And you can also check out my other videos. But first be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's start. First of all, clear up your slide, remove everything from it, and then insert a rounded corner rectangle right here. Remove its outline and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and then make it a bit larger. And repeat the process of duplicating it about 4 times and making it larger. Now change the color of each of the rectangle. So for this one, I'll use red, yellow, green, and brown. Next, what you're gonna do is go to images, and from there you're gonna insert uh, 4 of the landmarks, buildings, or anything structures like from around the world onto the slide. Put each one of them on each of the rectangle. Move it upwards. Next, what we're going to do is just replace these two. Next, duplicate the slide. And you're going to select these 3 and move them downwards. And increase this rectangle size. Expand it. That almost most of the part of the screen is covered. Next, increase the size of the statue as well. And then you have to insert your the text. Change this fill to white. Here you go. The next thing you're going to do is adjust everything and then insert your content text. So I'll just change this fill to white and then unbold it. Duplicate the first line and then move this first one downwards and move the third and the second last down, third and the fourth last downwards as well. And for the second one, let's just increase that size and move the uh, tower to the right side. Now insert your text. By the way, let me tell you that you can download this free template from the link in the description below and it's completely free to use for your own purposes. Next, copy and paste your content text. Now duplicate your first slide again and move it to the last slide and move the first 2 of them and the last of them downwards. And for the third one, we're gonna increase the size of this tower as well and move it to the right side. Next, we're gonna copy and paste the text from the previous slide onto this slide. Now let's customize our text. And let's just remove the content text that is not needed to make space for the second title. Now you're going to duplicate your first slide and move it in the end. You have to move these 3 downwards and expand the last rectangle and increase the image size and move it to the left side. Put it on top at a suitable position and then copy and paste your text and customize it. Duplicate the first style about 4 times and then put them in the middle of each of the slides we have made in the last as well. Select all of your slides including everything, and then you have to go to transition tab and then click on morph transition. Change the timing to 125. So this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. You can download this free template from the link in the description below and it's completely free to use.